Tokyo is an incredible bustling city with attractions, activities, and events around the clock. But what if you need a getaway break? What if you want to get there via a luxury private cabin romance train? Today, I travel down to Shimoda Beach and its best Airbnb beachfront property. And I won't be alone. Joining me today is the incredible Keifel and Kaho Shibuya. Hey guys, what do you guys do?
Oh, hello everyone, I'm Keifel. I'm a content creator based in Tokyo, and I just moved here from Canada, so I'm excited to explore everything Japan has to offer, especially Shimoda. I've heard it's very beautiful and lovely beaches and lots of cafes and things like that, so yeah, I'm just here to frolic, really.
Yeah, we'll frolic around. All right, and Kaho?
Yeah, so I'm also a Tokyo-based content creator, actually born and bred in Tokyo, so I don't really go outside the city. So I'm very looking forward to more comfy area, breezy area.
The true expert's opinion.
It feels very claustrophobic living in Tokyo oftentimes, so yeah, I need bigger land.
Yes, this will be the perfect escape. Let's go check it out. The Saphir Odorico is a luxury romance train that travels from Tokyo Station down south through the scenic Kanagawa and Shizuoka coast. On board is a full gourmet kitchen with menus selected by chef Miyuki Igarashi. You can book a seat in the panoramic dining room or simply order items to your private cabin room. It's furnished with a soft leather sofa that faces panoramic windows, which is designed to let you enjoy the true feature of this experience, the view. I ordered the Chinese pork buns, which was delicious, but if I did it over again, I'd probably try the shrimp wonton soup. And finally, we arrive in Shimoda, a beautiful seaside town here along Perry Road, the first American to land here and open Japan to trade. It's an absolutely stunning town, and if you need an escape from Tokyo, in luxury and style, this is the place. All along this scenic canal are cafes, restaurants, bars and vintage shops, giving you plenty to explore. We stayed a short time and chatted to a super friendly local shop owner before cooling down in a cafe overlooking the stream. But none of these incredible experiences are the true star of this video. Now it's time to check out the Shimoda Beach House, a holiday Airbnb rental that you can book for your next seaside retreat. And let me tell you, being a few steps away from this white sand beach makes it simply world-class. After seeing this place, you'll be saying you want it, and it's so inviting, it's practically saying, 4 rooms can sleep a total of 8 guests. Dining can be enjoyed on the upper floors outside barbecue terrace or inside with fully equipped kitchen and appliances. A spacious front and rear garden with exterior shower give you the space you need to freshen up before and after hitting the beach. I woke up early on Sunday just to enjoy the sunrise over the coast, and it was absolutely stunning. Just 2 minutes by car down the coast brings you to Ryugu Sea Cave, a perfect shot for the gram. If you have an appetite for sports, you could even rent out a boogie board and go sand surfing. In the morning, we headed up Shimoda Ropeway to the top of Mount Nessugata. The view back down to town is amazing. The Royal House is a stunning restaurant at the summit. The room is covered in ornately carved wooden shoji sliding doors. I couldn't help myself and had to walk around a bit and record it. Food to die for. And this final view of the historic bay was our last. Shimoda has to be one of the top destinations for holidays outside of Tokyo. And if you want to see it for yourself, Shimoda Beach House on Airbnb is the #1 place to stay. Book your next trip here right now and you won't regret it. See you next time.